15 July, guys. 15 July. Hi guys, good morning. Here it's another raining day. This city is just crazy. The weather is really bad, but this is gonna be our last day, and then tomorrow, like tonight, we're gonna take a flight for going to the wedding destination. Today I'm going to find Jay because he went before than me because I have to get ready, and breakfast here stopped at 1 p.m. and yesterday, as you guys saw, we went and actually today we went and we saw the sunrise, so we went to sleep at 5 and woke up like at 12. So no, looking great and kind of a little bit sick, but yeah, so come with us. Our last day in St. Pete. Hopefully it will stop raining because this is terrible. Hold on. Guys, can you see Dre? Look at that, guys! Chio-san. Hi.
Hello.
Hey guys, we eat breakfast. I didn't want to show you food just because I feel that I'm just showing you food. So I was like, no food for this vlog. But right now, we are trying to go home for exchange money. But outside it's pouring. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look how much rain. And look my shoes. Don't think my shoes are made for rain. I never experienced so much cold in July. I'm freezing and I have sunglasses now because it's sunny. I have sunglasses always because we're so tired. I'm dying inside, so I don't want that people see my face. You guys neither. But right now we are going to the Hermitage. Hopefully we can do like a tour because I really want to see something. But with the tour guide it makes more sense. Here's Jay. You look like... Oh my god, the struggle is real. And tonight we're not gonna sleep again. Great. But yeah, amazing. I guess in winter here it's like impossible to leave. But yeah, right now we're going, so let's hope that everything will work out. And let's go. It's the beautiful museum. I love it. It's so beautiful, and this square is so majestic. It's like you're a little point in the middle. It's really beautiful.
This is not looking promising. Check out this line.
Guys, I think Hermitage is a little bit of fail. There is too many people. We really don't have time. This is what it means when you travel with a large group, and the purpose of the travel is just celebrating the groom and the future wife, and so like party a lot, have a lot of fun, but don't have a lot of time for touristy thing. So we're kind of like running out of time because then we have at 6 like a meeting call, so we're not gonna be able to see anything else. But we're going to see one thing. I swear that in this vlog I will show you something. I promise you. Look at this. I promise you. So right now we are going at the cathedral. That's that one there, the gold one there. Apparently there is one of the best view of the city, and so we want to capture that for you guys, for our eyes, and for everyone. But yes, today has been just not the best, right? But check this out.
We got in an Uber, now we're going back and we're gonna find the next leg of the adventure. But look at this traffic.
Sorry guys, we started eating, but we took all this thing. Jay is sitting there, being so happy. Salmon there. This place is really cool. You can choose whatever you want and then you eat. It's called Marketplace, and here in St. Petersburg there is few. Really suggested, the food is amazing. Hey guys, I haven't finished the vlog. It's not because I'm an asshole, but it's just because our day has not finished yet. It's 3 in the morning now. It's pretty much day again, and we are at the airport. We are going in the city for the wedding that is called Hermitage. Probably you guys have never heard about it. Even Russia don't know about it. But yeah, so we have to take a flight. We're gonna fly into Moscow and then go in Voronezh. So our flight is at 5. Then we're gonna arrive in Voronezh at 9. So this is just another day of no sleeping. Really good for my skin. This is Jay. Be a gentleman. First thing guys, breakfast. I took croissant, cappuccino, Jay took Americano, and now because he's a real chichona, is going to take some Burger King. This is what for Jay is the perfect breakfast.
It's not perfect, it was just too good of a deal to pass up.
What did you get?
9 nuggets for less than $5.
That's a deal. Bye St. Pete's. It was amazing. So we are away since like 3 and we arrived in Moscow now. We're right here and everyone is sleeping and it's 6:30. It's not even that late. Check this out. Whoa.
We are at Voronezh Airport. We just got in. I think the 3 to 4 hours kind of looks that way. 3 to 4 hours sleep is really hitting us. We're definitely exhausted. We're definitely feeling it. So can't wait to get in this cab, hit up this hotel. We hear it's a pretty decent hotel actually. So go to the hotel and take a nap. Hello.
We did a little bit of nap and now on the balcony, that by the way is really hot here, but we have a lady here that you cannot guys see it. She's gonna do my manicure, so I'm really excited because I want to have something for the wedding. I mean, here is really cheap and she seems quite like an expert, so let's see. For now my nails are like this. This is before. Sure. They look so pretty. So guys, I don't know if you guys remember, yesterday we were complaining because it was cold. Well, we moved a little bit south in Russia and it's Africa. There is no hair. It's so hot. Right now I think it's 4 and it's probably like 40 degrees. We passed to an extreme to another one, and Jay is like so annoyed. He's like, I don't want to leave. I just want to stay in my room. And tomorrow we have a wedding and he has to put like a suit. Good.
Picked up some essentials, beer, water. Cookies.
Essential.
We're back in the heat. Look at this. Oh my God, how do people live like this? We come from such privileged lives, I get it. But man, I just have such a love for AC. I love you, AC. Never leave me.